In this video, we write a C program to simulate calculator operations using switch statement. We take two numbers, let us say A comma B, and then I will take another variable, character variable, let us say operator. The purpose of this program is I will read two numbers and then we specify operator, and then we need to perform that particular operation on those two numbers using switch statement. We want to perform this entire operation using switch statement. So first of all, we read two numbers, printf, enter two numbers, scanf. So we are reading two numbers using scanf function, and then we read operator, enter operator, and then we read operator value, get char, and then we pass operator value to switch statement. Then we write case values. If the case value is equal to plus, let us say if we give plus value, then we need to perform printf %d plus %d is equal to %d. First percentage d is for printing a value, second percentage d is for printing b value, and third percentage d is for printing a plus b value. And then we are writing break statement, or let us say we write a break statement in another line so that it will look in a neat fashion. And then we copy this particular these statements. So we write one by one. If the given character is plus, if the given operator is plus, similarly minus, we perform these operations, divided by and modulo division, and the last one is the default case. When minus operator is given, then we want to perform %d minus %d is equal to a minus b, and for multiplication we give %d into %d is equal to a into b, and for divided by we give a divided by b, and for modulo division we give double percentage. Why? Because in order to print a percentage symbol in the output, then we need to specify two percentage symbols. Then we give a modulus b, and last one is the default case. In the default case we print invalid operator. Likewise we want to print. This is the simple example. In this program what we are doing here, we are reading two numbers and then based on the given operator we want to perform the operations. We want to perform arithmetic operations. Now we run this program, and similarly, and here whenever we are performing division operation, observe here in the division operation there may be chances that we may get floating point values. That's why we need to specify format specifier %f, and similarly when the division operation we need to convert one type of value into floating point type, otherwise we don't get floating point values. Okay, so these changes are done. Now we run this program. Enter two numbers. Let us say we are giving 10 space 3. Now in the output, observe here, it is not allowing to read a character. When we get this particular type of problem, in this particular case, before reading a character, we need to use flush stdin. Then we run this program. So we are writing f flush stdin, then we run this program. Enter two numbers 10 space 3. Then we are giving operator plus, then it is calculating 10 plus 3, that is 13. Now observe here why we have used this particular statement, because when we give two values, let us say 10 and 3, and then we are pressing enter, that means this enter is passed to this particular character. That means the system is not allowed to read another operator that we are giving. That means this enter is passing to this particular operator. That's why we got that means no case is matched with no case is matched here. That's why we are getting default case is matched. So in order to avoid that particular one, that means if we want to read the character value properly, then if we get these type of errors, then before reading that particular character, we need to use one statement, f flush stdin. F flush stdin, it clears the previous input, so that it allows us to take the or it allows us to enter the new character. Now we run this program. Let us say we give 10, 3, again we give minus, we are getting 10 minus 3, 7, F11, we give again 10 space 3, this time we will give star, we get 10 into 3, 30, and next time 10 space 3, we are giving next operator, that is divided by, we are getting 3.33, and finally we give again 10 space 3, and the operator is modulus operator, we are getting 10 mod 3 is equal to 1, and finally we give 10 space 3, we give another like we give enter, we give let us say equal to, then it is saying that invalid operator. In this fashion we can write a C program to simulate calculator, or we can write a C program to perform arithmetic operations. And the purpose of f flush stdin is whenever we are unable to read a character value because of previous inputs, in such cases we need to specify f flush stdin before reading a particular character value.